silver. Now we are based on daily chart. All right, as we can see, since this week when I start, we for the first and Saturday, Monday and Tuesday the price drop. All right, now we want to see whether this one can continue or not. If we put our trend line similar to what we have for last week, we had this one and we had this based on daily chart. All right, now the thing is whether this one, as we can see the price come to the trend line, whether this one can continue and come to this level or not. All right, in this case we move to forward chart. All right, maybe I adjust the trend line here. Okay, and the another one is this. Okay, this is what we had for the last week. I mean, when we analyzed the chart on weekends. All right, because at that time the price was exactly here. We want the price to drop based on lower time frame. I will show later. And as we can see, the price come to this level, this trend line, and I start to correct. Now the question whether this one can break this trend line and continue and come to this level or not. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart. All right, based on 1 hour chart, this is what we had. This is our trend line, we had it. All right, and exactly this is what we get if I put here. All right, as we can see, the price from here start to drop, because in last video we mentioned we want the price to correct here, and we have a few opportunity. As now the question is whether this one again can continue and break this one, as we can see it's consolidating here, and come to this level or not. All right, or the price from here can reverse. All right, mostly we are more interested if this one can be similar to what we have here and for next drop. All right, and as we can see, we don't expect the price from here can reverse. We are more interested in the down move, but if the price reverse, we see how we can trade it. All right, now the question is how we can trade from this correction. The first option from what we have here, the first option, we go with the having entry. Since we have these two move, that's mean the price move similar to what we have this move. Now the best things, we put our entry here. That's mean one of the option is having putting the entry here. Okay, from what we have right now, in this case, that's mean we expect the price from here can drop, and what we want the price sharply drop, break, and continue. If the we get the our price tag, our trade tag, what we see is not moving fast or is consolidating within 2 hours, maybe we should take out, it depends. All right, but what we want the price to tag and continue. The another one is if we get from here, or if the price correct for longer time, if we get any correction, if we get any trade within this range based on lower time frame, for example a sharp move or flag, we can sell it. In this case, maybe we need to move to 15-minute chart, because the possibility we get that based on 1 hour is very less. All right, as you can see, we have the small correction, we just leave it. All right, maybe the price can move a bit higher, but we won't trade it. What we want the price drop from here. All right, whether from here or even if can correct some more, any sharp move, a small flag, we can take it. And as long as the price come to this level, we need to see whether the price can break and continue or not. Okay, anyway, based on what we have right now, we want to see whether we can get sell from this correction or not. And the first entry, the first option, having entry below this. The another one, we get the trade set up within this range. And if we get the trade, then we just consider as a short-term trade, because as I show you based on daily chart, we want whether this one can drop to the trend line which we had based on daily chart or not. But anyway, any sell we get from here, as long as the price move into the profit, we start to manage it, because we are not sure how deep it can go, and whether after the price drop, whether continuously can go, or from there it can give us that's mean like this, the price can drop and continues and drop, or the price can drop and start to correct, drop and start to correct. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart, we see how we can trade from what we have right now, and if I see any update, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.